Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And I want to start off today by thanking Aishu from Aishu Crafty Kids Club for inviting me to her 15th birthday celebration. And then I want to thank Dave and Kathy from the Traveling Tramps for the amazing introduction today. Not only are they great creators, but they're also awesome friends of mine. Please don't forget to follow along with the playlist. You can find that in my description or in the chat box above. Also, Cynthia Porter's studio will be next.
3 pieces of
Today
wire.
you'll see me making a beautiful dragonfly. This is packed with information.
24 gauge.
A lot of it will be written in my description below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.
We're going to need 3 pieces. One 10-inch, one 8-inch, and one 6-inch. And we're going to take this 10-inch, hold the ends down to meet.
Today we are all here to celebrate a very special young lady who's turning 15. Aishu. We all know her for her craft channel on YouTube. We know she takes much care when making her crafts and is aware with waste and very frugal with her supplies. She has a lot of determination, much more than I can say many of the adults I know, and is supportive of so many channels. I still wonder if she is human and if this kid ever sleeps. She's very spirited, like any teenager, but I know she's an old soul in her heart. She will stay true to you through thick and thin. You be kind to her and support her, and you will get the same in return. Our birthday girl is an Aries, a sign associated with fire, courage, and leadership. As I shape this wire today, I imagine molding her fiery spirit, her courage, and her leadership qualities into this piece. This year, 2024, is the dragon year, symbolizing strength, power, and good luck. Let's infuse this dragon energy, envisioning protection, prosperity, and success in all of her endeavors. Let's imagine her gracefully navigating through life's challenges, embracing change, and blossoming into her true self, guided by the wisdom and strength of the dragon and the ox.
Push that out of the way, and I'm going to get this, twist it, and twist it, and twist it, so I can't twist it anymore. And then I'm going to take the other piece, and I'm going to twist that too.
Let's also incorporate the delicate beauty of the dragonfly, which represents transformation, adaptability, and grace. And the dragonfly takes form. Imagine the colors pink and purple, fueling your creativity as you step into your 15th year. And this resin is glossy and it's hard. And this is a protective shield, guarding you in the future to remain grounded and true to yourself. This dragonfly is a harmonious blend of Aries fire, dragon strength, and dragonfly grace. Each twist of the wire, each stroke of color carries out love, our hopes, and our best wishes for you, Aishu. I'd like to take a moment and thank my members for their unending support. I really appreciate it. Thank you to the Traveling Tramps, Art by Sparkle, Lena Park Art, and Simply Nanette. And thank you so much to those who gave me super thanks last week. That would be Yen Draws and Lena Park Art. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of my subscribers. Without you, I would definitely not be doing this. Each and every like and each and every comment just makes me want to continue more and more. Thank you. This piece of art is filled with layers of symbolism. May it serve as a reminder of your unique spirit and your potential and the beautiful journey that lies ahead. I do hope you enjoyed watching me create this special birthday dragonfly. And if this did resonate with you at all, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so today. And share your thoughts and birthday wishes with our amazing 15-year-old in the comments below or on her page, Aishu's Crafty Kids Club. Please follow along with the playlist, which you will find down in my description below. And don't forget, Cynthia Porter Studios is next. You're not going to want to miss it.